In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subteam in a task on Wrike. This process is simple and efficient, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can set up your subteam with ease. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to navigate to Wrike's login page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. If you're not already signed in, you will be prompted to choose your preferred sign-in method. Opt for signing in with Google by clicking on the Google icon. A menu will appear where you can select your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Wrike workspace and you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Now that you're logged into Wrike, locate the task where you want to create a subteam. Tasks are typically organized in folders or projects within your workspace. Find the folder or project containing your desired task and click on it to open the task view. In this view, you'll notice a drop-down arrow beside your task's name. Click on this drop-down arrow to expand the task options. With the task options expanded, you're looking for the sub-item task. This is a specific segment of your main task where you can further break down work into smaller, manageable sections. Click on the sub-item task to open its details and settings. Inside the sub-item task view, you'll find an option to add sub-item. Click on this button as it's the entry point to create a new subteam within your task. This will prompt an editable field where you can type the name of the sub-item or segment you wish to create. Think carefully about a name that clearly communicates the purpose or content of the subteam, as it will help keep your project organized and easy to navigate for everyone involved. Once you have chosen a suitable name, simply type it into the field. If you feel unsure at any point, remember that you can always revise this name later for better clarity or to align with evolving project needs. After typing in the name of your sub-item, press the Enter key on your keyboard to finalize the creation of your subteam. This action solidifies the addition of the sub-item to your task list and allows you to start assigning team members and setting deadlines as needed. And there you have it, a simple and quick process to create a sub-team within a task in Wrike. With this feature, you can enhance your project management efficiency by breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable sections, allowing your team to focus on specific tasks with greater precision. Thanks for following along, and I hope this video has been helpful in improving your productivity in Wrike.